Alright, well, how's everybody doing this afternoon? Welcome to another episode of Rob's West Virginia Bass Fishing. And today I'm out here at the Cedar Lakes Conference Center. And I'm here at the pond with the covered bridge right where you turn into the place. And I built some buzz baits last night that I wanted to test. This is my new mini quad buzz. It's a chartreuse shad. It's an 1/8 ounce buzz bait. And then I've got another one tied on that could be, depending on what you want, either baby bass or bullfrog. But I wanted to try these out this morning. We just had a front go through yesterday morning. It seems like every Friday we get a front go through, so probably won't get a bite on them, but we'll see. Got the wacky rig tied on just in case I need it. And it's 60 degrees out here. Water temperature 65. I've been seeing some little bass cruising the shoreline. The silver dollar pads are growing, and we'll see if we can get us a bite. There we go. Oh, get out of that bush. Got it. I got one, finally. Green sunfish on the Bitsy Minnow. I'm not skunked today. Oh boy. If I get a hold of him. I was beginning to wonder if I was going to catch it. I've never fished this pond before, so I've seen some bass, but they don't want to touch anything. Alright. And away it goes. Oh yeah! Oh my goodness. Get in here. Yeah! Look at there, folks. Haha! Got me one on the Redeye Shad. Ah! Whew! That's a good one. Oh yes. Look at that, folks. Quarter ounce gold chrome sexy shad, Strike King Redeye Shad. Hook just fell out too. Ah. All right, let's get some measurements on it and then we'll turn it loose. $16 inches even. 1 pound, 13 ounces. My best bass of the year so far. Beats the one I caught at Rollins Lake last Sunday. All right, we'll go ahead and get it turned loose. There it goes. Oh, there we go. Don't get off. You just stay down there. Yeah. Number 2 for the day on the Redeye Shad. Whew. Man, he just barely got it too. Just right by that front hook. Barely got it. Quarter ounce Strike King Redeye Shad. Got me another one. Gold chrome sexy shad. Ouch! Oh man, it is not hooked in a good place. I have to get my pliers. Got him. Ah, daggone it, now he's in the grass. Ah. Now, let's see how long it is. Eleven and a quarter inches. Third fish of the day. Third fish of the day, second bass. Going back into Cedar Lakes. All right, well, folks, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up now. This place closes at 8 o'clock and it's almost 7 now, and I got a lot of packing up to do. It was a pretty decent day over here at Cedar Lakes. I caught 3 fish. Over at the pond where you first come in here, I caught a little green sunfish on the Bitsy Minnow. This, of course, my white with the chartreuse back Bitsy Minnow. Fishing it on my Lew's Xfinity spinning combo. It's 6.5 foot, medium action, and I have 8-pound test vicious fluorocarbon line on it. And Bitsy Minnow kept me from getting skunked again. But then I came over here to this pond and caught 2 bass. The first bass I caught here was biggest one I've caught so far this year. It was 16 inches long and weighed 1 pound and 13 ounces, I think. And the other bass was 11 and a quarter. And I caught them both on this new Redeye Shad that I got last week. This is a quarter ounce gold chrome sexy shad, Strike King Redeye Shad. It's the only quarter ounce one I have, so I'm going to be getting some more smaller quarter ounce baits. And those were the first bass that I've caught on my new rod. This is my new Lew's Hank Parker Signature Series rod. It's 7 foot, medium action with a fast tip, and I have it paired with a Lew's reactor reel, 14-pound test, Vicious Pro Elite fluorocarbon on it. And I was just kind of slow rolling that Redeye Shad in, and man, that first one hit it pretty good. The second one hit it pretty good too. They both was barely hooked. Seems like every weekend I go fishing, we get a front come through on Thursday or Friday, and makes things tough for the weekend with these bright skies and everything. But I didn't do any finesse today. I forced the issue and got out the Lipless crankbait and got a couple of them to react to it. So I hope y'all like this video anyway, and I'd appreciate it if you're new to the channel. You can give it a like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think, and I'll try to get out and get another video done as soon as I can. And I appreciate everybody watching.